Hey family, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and I'm here with another driving video. I haven't done a driving video in the longest while. So we're here in 3 Mile under the overhead bridges, the new overhead bridges. We did an extensive coverage on this project while they were, you know, on the project. So today we're doing a driving video, basically from 3 miles to Ferry. Also known as Mandela Highway. We just passed Majestic Gardens on the left. So this roadway is undergoing some road works. They're relaying the pipe. So because of that, for about a year or two, the road is in a very deplorable condition in terms of the quality of the surface. Got your laying pipe along the entire length of the Spanish Town Road, because we're now on Spanish Town Road heading to Ferry, heading to Mandela Highway in one of the names you want to use. So a lot of laying of pipe has been done. I think they're in the final stage. Most of the pipe laying has taken place already. So they're basically wrapping up. A lot of distribution and manufacturing companies on Spanish Town Road. We have Excelsior, Red Stripe, Toyota dealership, Kingston Industrial Garage, which carries Ford, Subaru and Jeep car brand. So a lot of different companies are on Spanish Town Road. Well, Spanish Town Road is a road that we're sure that there's no residential property along the road. It's completely commercial, we can say that. You have to be careful on this road as well. A lot of heavy duty equipment traverse this roadway, so you have to be on the lookout. Anyway guys, it's been a while. I've been off YouTube for a while as well. So I'm happy to be back with you guys doing all type of videos, from drone videos to driving videos to reviews to road reviews to everything. I am back. So look out for the videos. Remember to like so that the videos can spread more on YouTube. Remember to comment so they can spread more. Remember to share to a friend or family member so the videos can spread more. Over there is a construction. It looks like a warehouse being developed by the company Cygnus Investment Real Estate Department. So they're doing this warehouse development right here on Spanish Town Road. A lot of steel in the construction. This road is very dusty as well, and as I said, very industrial. No residential properties on this road, and if I'm wrong, please correct me, but if my memory serves me right, it's completely commercial. Yeah, one thing though, I'm wondering, when they're finished the laying of the pipe, which they have been doing for years now, right after they finish with Agley Park Road, right after they finish with the 3 Mile overhead bridge, they started this project. But what I want to see, and you guys can let me know as well, what I want to see when they're finished is a complete resurfacing of this roadway, similar to how smooth Agley Park is, how smooth Constant Spring Road is, which was 2 major expansion projects, which I covered as well. You can find those videos on the channel. I want this entire roadway to be smooth off and properly marked, proper sidewalks, proper beautification as well in terms of flowers and trees, because I think Spanish Town Road has been neglected for years. It's one of the main busiest thoroughfare that leads in and out of Kingston. Probably one of the main busiest thoroughfare in Jamaica. Probably second to Transport Center right in half a tree in terms of business. And you really have to keep your eyes on the road on these roadway. You know, sometimes persons say we as well Jamaicans drive like you're in India, because I'm sure you guys probably have seen the videos of the driving in India. It's crazy. Driving in India is crazy. No markings on the road, people drive anywhere and everywhere. It's crazy in India. Yeah, Spanish Town Road. Alright, and again we're driving from 3 miles. And we're on Spanish Town Road, and we'll end the video on Ferry, the newly refurbished and expanded ferry, sorry. On the left, was Riverton, Dump, and Community. But I think this entire roadway, let me know what you guys think, needs to be resurfaced. And over the years, it's just patching. So it makes the drive very bumpy. But I think it now needs a complete overall resurfacing, everything. That's what I think. They have done it to Ferry. Years ago, they have done it to Boulevard. They have recently done it to Agley Park Road, Constant Spring Road. I think Mullines Road should be next. What you guys think? Persons familiar with Kingston? Mullines Road is a traffic nightmare in the morning, right? Entering halfway through at the transport center, and then in the evening, heading towards Boulevard is another traffic nightmare. I think Mullines Road needs to be widened, and they don't have to do the entire Mullines Road, because I know Mullines Road runs straight up to the foot of Red Hills. So I think the expansion can be right at halfway through, right at Eastwood Park Road, come straight down to the big intersection onto Washington Boulevard. I think that will help significantly, and I think since we're on a quest to update the road network across Jamaica, starting with Kingston, going into Montego Bay and over the place, I think those are some roads that should be considered, you know. Mullines Road, and then for Spanish Town Road, they're almost finished with their big project, you know, the laying of pipes. So I think they need to resurface the entire roadway and make it look something similar to this. Clean, well marked, well uniform. It will help traffic to flow better. And I think based on the age of Spanish Town Road, which is probably one of the oldest roads in Jamaica, it makes sense. So, not too much chatting from me. Again, thanks for clicking on this driving video. I know we're starting up at the channel. Haven't done a driving video for a while. So leave your comments, leave your thoughts. Let me know what you think. And remember to subscribe. We're almost at 20,000 subscribers, and I'm sure we can get there in no time. I need your guys' help, so share the video as well. So we'll end the video on the bridge. That's the bridge that can bring you down to Idle, that can bring you to the Ferry police station. And it's a newly constructed bridge as well. It wasn't there before, but it was built so that persons can cross this roadway. It's busy thoroughfare and be able to go on to the next. And as I said, these roadway, a lot of trucks traverse with aggregates, building materials, containers, you know, a lot of logistical activities. But this is one of the main thoroughfare in and out Kingston, and then you have warehouses all around this area. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll definitely see you on another driving video. May not be a main thoroughfare, may not be a city drive, could be a community drive where we're exploring a community as well. One of the good thing about community drives is that a lot of time persons are able to, you know, see their past community that they haven't seen in years. You know, even sometimes past their house, past their road, and they're able to look back and see what their community is like right now. A lot of persons overseas as well get the chance to do that. But whether you're watching from Jamaica, Kingston, Mobay, Clarendon, Canada, US, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on another video. Alright, guys, and if you're still watching, then this is the bonus clip. So you probably haven't clicked off as yet. So we recently did a drone video covering what's in front of me, the new developing Kingston 876 multi-billion-dollar commercial development. So I recently did a drone video on it. I'll put the link in the comments. So all you're seeing over there with those warehouses, all that is the development that we recently covered. So if you want some better views, some better shots of this development right here, then I'll put the video link in the comments so you can just click and watch it. So new construction happening like this one right in front of us. Some is finished, some is on the way, some is not yet started, but this is a very big land area that is a commercial park that they're creating. Some of the companies right now is like Nestle, Chapman, Iterum Call Center, few warehouses, Dairyman Trading, Petcom. Yeah, so a lot of companies are here already. So bonus clip, thanks for watching.